We learned about how crafting and textile making throughout history has shaped history records and how we tell stories and pass on traditions through familial ties, but also like community ties.
And I like that the class is just super unique. Like, it occurred to me just how prevalent crafts were, especially to like American history. Like, one of the examples that we talked about was like paper making. It's a craft, and if it hadn't been developed, literally the country would not exist. Like, without like the Declaration of Independence, Common Sense by Thomas Paine, we're able to view the history of pretty much everything through the lens of crafts.
Buttons like these had some historical significance, especially politically, and then in pop culture, and like how back in the 60s and 70s there was a lot of political pins saying vote for this person, vote for that person, and then it turned into pins of different characters and different parts of the media from pop culture or different references. Like I carry pins with me both on my bag and also my lanyard that have a lot of pop culture references.